Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the first in the series of the Boy Doll Collab, where we will be asking you to show your boy dolls in different situations or doing different things. Today is Ken Outdoors. Ken dolls, we all probably have more than one. Here's my Ken sitting on the dock. This is our pond. I was going to say on the bay. And he is fishing with his cane pole. And I think he might have something. Let's see. Stand up, Ken. Oh, look. He has a dolphin bead. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by and watch Gosha and Cynthia's videos, as well as everyone else who's showing off their kin today. We were doing something outdoors, and now you've seen my kin out fishing. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.